Wagwan again. What's up, guys? Yes, welcome back, people. This is Silk Reacts. Okay, I've been telling these people about this artist, bro. Once you's an artist out there, right now, this artist named Vybz Kartel is free. You have to go hard, bro. Trust me. One Gaza now free. Where boss? He's free, bro. He's finally free, and we're still happy. Although I don't think he's in his right moment right now. He can't believe, bro. Trust me, Vybz Kartel cannot believe up till now, bro, because it's been 13 years. You understand? Yes, guys. So if you have a tracer, bro, as in something to mix with the liquor, and the liquor is not white rum, bro, you're not drinking, bro. You're not drinking, bro. You're not taking any shots. Without a white rum right now, that is no shots. Before we get right into it, guys, please go over on this page, name one code music. Y'all will hear all of these new music over on that platform. Okay? Yes, and subscribe right here on the Silk Reacts page, bro. We're gonna get right into it right now. This is Vybz Kartel White Rum. You.
We'd make me get high, but 1 million fucking time. Million fucking time.
The king is back.
Yo, out and bad. Yo, chat. Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Make a day but the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like lipo.
Grab a weed, make you lose weight like yeah.
One day I have to drink Milo. When I say mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum. The white rum booklet. What y'all drink? Special, yeah. 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 Special. Aye, weed and alcohol. Grab a stink like when a baby drunk a band. Big up the man them down a west way up on the farm. Them send a couple pounds for me, couple for his ambition. That time me brother save a smoke so till we nah no liver. The way the grabber hat me pon it right beside the river.
Oh, the way the grabber at the bonnet beside the river. Yo, first I have to say big up Silver Youth as a loyal person, you understand?
Like I make me squeeze it like a cigar trigger. And when the sun come out, a split a fireball ya bigger. Did they give a fuck about the nigga? Fuck your girl and send her to you. Push it, really do you? Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Make a
How are the toughest thing I road, bro, God. I'm telling you, without this song playing in dancehall, bro. Yo, if this song not playing in party, bro, God, select a pack up and leave, youth. Yes, once you're taking shots and do not have a white rum, bro, that is no shots, bro, God. Play Gaza Bass now.
but the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like lipo. Lick a boy, go on here, you have to drink Milo. When we say, mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum.
And this song is catchy, bro. This song is catchy. That's how hilarious Vybz Kartel is. His lyrics is unique, bro.
White rum, the right rum booklet. What y'all drink? Special, yeah. 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 Special. Burn it up in the attic or the lobby when me feel down it. Pick me up like a cabbie and me burn it with little vibes and little addy and me burn it with me catty and we not fuck no up. No beg you smoke or you sat in.
Hey, you know, long we not hear him say that, bro. Long we not hear him say that. Oh, yeah, that's that. Him when him found out, him say, I'm out. Chub.
Your own lighter, your weed and grab with you. It's a habit to be a baller and keep it up. If you move like a cokehead, you get a ticket card. No. Me give me down a little enough to try some. She say me head around my grandson, me have a lie down. Saw me sneak in, my girlfriend, you ring the wine come. Me happy like light come. Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Make a day but the darkness like night.
Hey, you know in Jamaica, once light out, bro, and light come back, bro. Trust me, everyone starts say, yeah, light come back.
Grab a weed, make you lose weight like lipo. Lick a boy, go on here, you have to drink Milo. When me say, mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white
rum, bro, and a black rum or red rum, okay? white rum like my white t-shirt, because enough of these people cannot wear white t-shirt. You ought to be clean and do not dirty like that. Okay, mix it readily.
White rum, the white rum,
With it.
the right rum buckler. What y'all drink? Special, yeah, 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 special.
What y'all drink? Oh yeah. Hey, people, y'all will find this over on One Code Music. Okay, all of Gaza new music, y'all find it over there, bro. Subscribe to the channel right now. And also this channel name Silk Reacts. Okay, yes, bro. God, once the Red Bull pop, bro, you cannot mix it with nothing else, bro. God, it is only the white rum you should mix that with, bro. Oh, and Gaza now. Oh, people, I'm out.